Are you still finding it a bit difficult to make your stew? Say no more because Chef Bosse is here for you. Hello, Sweet Fingers lover. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bosse. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your stew without stress. In order not to waste your time, let's get right into it. In the pot, you go in with your protein. For me, I'm using a cow beef. After that, I'm going in with my onion and my seasoning cube. Next, I mix together. You make sure all ingredients are well and properly combined together. After that, I'm going in with my thyme and a little bit of turmeric to upgrade the flavor of our meat. Then I mix again together and I cover and allow it to steam for a few minutes. I allow this to steam for approximately 15 minutes on high heat. Then I open to check to make sure my meat is not burnt because I did not add any water to this. Then I stir again. Then I'm going to cover and allow it to boil for another 5 minutes so our meat will be a little bit tender. After 5 minutes, I checked my meat and this is what we have. My meat is ready. So it's time for us to fry our beef. So I went in with my fry pan. Then after that, I went in with my oil. Allow my oil to get hot a little bit for about 1 minute. Then I went in with my boiled beef and allow it to fry until it is golden brown. Time for us to turn the other side of our beef. Our beef is all golden brown. Then I have to remove it on fire and set it aside. And this is what we have, our perfect beef ready for us. So, time for us to make our stew. The same oil I used to fry my beef, that's what we're using to make the stew. So, in another pot, you go in with your oil. Then you go in with your pepper mix. I rinsed that with a little bit of my meat stock. Then I cover and allow it to boil. After that, I went in with my tomato paste to thicken our stew. Then I mix together to make sure it is properly well combined together. Time for us to add our spice. I'm going in with curry, thyme, a little bit of bay leaf, seasoning cube. Then I mix together. Then I'm going to cover and allow this to steam for a bit. Note, if your stew is too thick, feel free to add a little bit of water or your meat stock to it. And this is exactly what I did. I added a little bit of our meat stock to it because it was too thick. To lighten it up a bit, this is what I did. I went in with our meat stock. Then I'm going to cover and allow it to boil for a while. And this is what we have. So easy. Time for us to stir this. So I just stir. Make sure your stew is not burnt, but make sure it is properly fried. Then I went in with my beef. Then I mixed together. At this point, you have to put your fire on a low heat. Then after that, you go in with your sliced onion or your grated onion, whichever one you have or you want. Then you cover and allow it to steam for just 2 minutes on low heat. After that, time for us to serve. I serve this with rice, and this is what we have. All you have to do is just follow my tutorial step by step, and you are going to achieve the same result like I did. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and if you've watched this very video to this time, kindly subscribe. Do not forget to comment on our video, like our video, share our video, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you, my sweet vegans lovers. Bye.